In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use this cinematic camera shake blueprint on any of your cinematic sequence made in Unreal Engine for your architecture scene. So we'll take this scene as a example, and in this scene, what I have done is I have went ahead and created a sequence already to save some time, and so that I can go ahead and show you how this camera shake can be used very easily. This is the product I'm making the video of. So what this does is this gives you a pre-made camera blueprint which you can go ahead and out of the box apply in your apply on your cameras on any cinematic video you have made for your projects. So as you can see here, I have went ahead and then created a sequence, and I want a camera shake in the cinematic video of this project. So all you have to do is, if you go here in content browser and in 3D Arc stuffs, and then here you will be seeing some blueprint and then blueprint camera shake here. So the name of the camera shake is 001 camera shake for cinematics. I'll go here and then I will go ahead and go on the first keyframe. I can also go ahead and click on this, and in the camera here I will go ahead and click on this plus button, and then in camera shake you will see here, if you have downloaded the camera blueprint shake, and then you will, and if you have pasted it in the correct folder, you can see here in the option camera shake 01 camera shake cinematics. So all you have to do is just click on this, and you can, this camera is made as in a way that it can loop for infinite. So you can go ahead and extend it as much as you want as per your requirement. So I'll go ahead and switch all this to snap things up in the scene or in the sequence, and I can go ahead and snap it up. Then again, I will go ahead and expand this, go and click on this keyframe. I will collapse this one because I'm done with that. And then again here on the camera icon, here this plus, I will go ahead and click on this camera shake and then increase the size. Then I will go ahead here, select this one and then click on this camera shake, and I will just go ahead and repeat the same for all the cameras. If you don't want this camera shake on any particular camera, you can just skip it. And if you want the camera shake for all your cameras, then you can go ahead and add it on all cameras. I generally like adding it on all the cameras. So I will go ahead and add it on all the cameras. So like this, and then I will go ahead and expand this. Again, I will go ahead and add this on this camera also. So as you can see, I have added that camera shake on all of the cameras in my sequence. This is the one. So if you have download this, and if you want to understand what and how it is going to be used, all you have to do is go ahead and create a cinematic sequence of yours in your project, and then add the camera shake the way I just showed you. And after that, you can just go ahead and click play to see how this camera shake is helping on. So you will see that it's a subtle movement and wobble in the camera, which makes the camera feel much more realistic, as if someone is shooting it from a hand, and it gives us some interesting feel of in the cinematic. If you don't like to use the camera shake, no problem, you can just skip it, and if you like it, you can go ahead and use it. It's your choice, but you can get it for free from here, and yeah, you can go ahead and use it in any of your project if you like. So see here, subtle wobble is there, and it makes the camera feel much more elegant or realistic. I like it particularly, and I use it on almost every cinematic projects, and I thought to give it to you all for free to help you out to achieve much more visual fidelity in your sequence or cinematic animation. So I hope this video was clear enough to how to use the camera shake blueprint which you have downloaded from my website. I'll see you all in the next video. Till then, have a great day.